In a lush jungle, the proud elephant stomps through the forest, laughing and scaring small animals beneath his feet. One brave little ant speaks up, asking the elephant to stop bullying the smaller creatures. The elephant laughs loudly, mocking the ant for being so small and powerless. The next day, the ant sneaks into the elephant's ear and gives him a sharp bite. The mighty elephant panics, trumpeting and rolling on the ground to stop the itching. The ant calmly exits the elephant's ear and reminds him that strength isn't everything. Humbled, the elephant apologizes and promises to treat all creatures with respect. Moral of the story: never underestimate anyone because of their size. True strength lies in courage and wisdom.